This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Guerrier. This modern completely renovated corner penthouse features 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with beautiful views of the ocean and intercostal, impact windows, full laundry room, in-unit, stainless steel appliances and tons of closet/storage space. Special assessment of $424.42 per month is paying off the building construction loan that covered the new roof, seawall repair, concrete repairs, exterior painting and new generators, and it began in January 2023 for 7 years. All information and sizes are approximate and should be verified. Special assessment and furniture is negotiable. For more information, review the